64 up again. Turn her on. Boom. And let's load her up. This time, H.E.R.O. Unfortunately, the version that they've got on C64.com is one of them that's got all the trainers where you can have infinite lives and all of that. But you're going to see, I'm going to say no to each of them. It's still going to take a little bit to download. All right. Alien. Okay, run, stop, start, and I've got to say, no, I do not want unlimited lives, or power, or dynamite sticks, no collision with lamps, all of this, no, 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 and start her up. Oops. Ah, that was luck. I should have died there. And this, in the Atari version right there, where you can, yeah, I thought that might be death there, where you can kind of take the two birds with one stone a little easier. I feel like the levels are slightly different on this, as opposed to the Atari version as well. It may not be, but it feels like it. I was out of bombs too. That is not going to be... Yeah. Ah! Controls are slightly different too. I mean, they're the same, but response time, I think, is a little different. I don't like that. Ah! 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 Okay, that's a very tight hole. Let's get this right. Yeah, that's much quicker. I'm used to the Atari version at this point. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that was far too close for my liking. Okay, say that it looks like I probably need to come up here and do that. Yeah, it seems like a lot of this is almost the same, but not exactly, you know, not exact. Yeah. It's a little more grabby. Hulk hands or whatever those are. Ah! Oh, don't like that. Ooh, too close for my liking. I was wondering if that was going to happen. Do I dare go down? It doesn't seem like it's such a bad thing, actually. that would have stunk to go on the other side over there. Like, dead end. Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna take you out first. Oh, you're very grabby. Right. Ooh, that's no good. This is where I die in the Atari version, is when the first time I have those up against me here. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Did I see it was blocked? Okay, it wasn't blocked off. Ah! Oh, that's just never good. Ah! Let's just run right into that. Oh, it's awful. Yeah, that could... Oh, that would have been terrible. You sit there and knock down a wall, and not only... It would have been insta-death. That's brilliant, but cruel level design there. I have a feeling I'm going to want to blow that one up. Well... Gotta go to the center again. I'll probably lose my last life on that. So that looks like if I go when it's closing. There it is. I honestly couldn't figure that out before. Oh, I have one bomb left too. From here on out, if I got a wall, I'm gonna have to blast it. And I got one. Whoa! Talk about close. That's a very interesting new thing there. Look here. Take a look at what's coming up. No, that's definitely never going to work. I might just do that just for safety's sake here. You have such little space to run back. Oh. Oh no. Alright, 133,883. I'm happy enough with that to take a picture. Let us take a picture of that. Yeah, that one turned out good. All right. Awesome.